Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you love a nice clean look on your wall switches, check out these ones from Legrand. These Legrand Radiant 15 amp rocker wall switches are awesome. If a light switch can be beautiful, then these definitely are. I love that really sleek and simple design. They're easy to operate with a simple tap of the button, and installation was also really easy. They installed just like any other switches, and my husband has electrical experience, so he really got these up in no time. You can get them in a variety of finishes. I chose the white and I really love it. These switches are definitely made with high quality materials. It is really well constructed. They feel heavy duty and like they're going to definitely hold up to everyday use in our house. So I think the whole line of these Legrand products is a really great option if you are looking for an upgrade. So I am really happy with the look and the performance of these wall switches, and that's my point of view.